Hi, I'm Kamna Chubal. I'm here with the second episode for Only My Health, in which we're looking at relationships. Today, I'm going to talk about how do you make long distance relationships work. आज के दिन में रियलिटी ये है कि काफ़ी लोग अपने लव्ड वन से थोड़ा दूर रह रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द पैंडेमिक. इन जनरल ऑल्सो लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रिलेशनशिप्स कैन फील वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू मेंटेन. कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं जो आप अपने ध्यान में रख सकते हैं विच कैन इंश्योर कि द क्वालिटी ऑफ द रिलेशनशिप स्टेज वेरी गुड. So here are certain tips for you which would really help you in maintaining your long distance relationship in a good way. First and foremost, I think it's very important to try and ensure that you communicate as much or as little as you want to. कोई right balance नहीं है. It's about what is the balance that works for the two of you. कुछ कपल्स होते हैं जिनको ज़्यादा कनेक्ट करने में ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. कई कपल्स होते हैं जिनको लगता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा कम्युनिकेशन बहुत इंट्रूसिव हो जाती है. You have to find what is the right balance that works for both of you as a couple. Talking and sharing is very important. And adding on to that, what's also very important is to be available, intentionally available, to support to and supply the emotional needs of your partner at the moments when they're reaching out to you. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको छोटी सी छोटी बातें पता चलती रहे आपके पार्टनर की लाइफ के बारे में, बट जब वो आपको रीच आउट करते हैं, जब उनकी ज़िंदगी में कोई स्ट्रगल्स हैं, कुछ इमोशनल चीज़ें हैं जो उनके लिए उठ रही हैं, एंड जब आप उसको रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं, उससे रिलेशनशिप का जो बॉन्ड है वो ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथन होता है. दैट इज़ समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. I think the third aspect that we need to keep in mind is that it's very essential when you're in a long distance relationship to keep on giving each other also a reassurance in a way, to remind each other how much you care for each other. Long distance relationship में इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा वैल्यू होती है क्योंकि आपके पास ये ऑप्शन नहीं होता है कि by your presence physically around each other you would be able to reinforce how much you care for the other person. So it becomes very important that you make an active effort towards reminding your partner how you feel for them, how you care about them, that you think about them or that you miss them. इसको ध्यान में रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. The other element which is associated is also about trying to keep on spending as much time as you can, also to try and do things which are together, which could be of shared interest for both of you. So आप ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि माने आप दोनों को रीडिंग का शौक है, so you start the same book. और अगर आप लोगों को जैसे कोई पर्टिकुलर शो पसंद है, then you try to watch it together. It's also helpful if you try to set time aside where you could maybe have a cup of coffee together, a cup of tea together, or maybe you plan to have a meal together at the same time where you also keep connecting and communicating with each other. This becomes a good way to stay involved with each other in a better way. I think another element which helps strengthen long distance relationships is when you push each other to grow and to find your own individual potentials. Work towards what are your individual dreams, as well. That's something which is very, very critical because it keeps on building also the sense of security and stability within the relationship. That it's not just about me as an individual, it's about the two of us. And I think finally, what's very, very essential is to keep on planning towards the future and to look at saying how do we make our worlds merge at a later point in time. I think it's very important कि हम प्लान करें, एक्टिवली इसके बारे में बात करें कि किस तरह से हम फ्यूचर में जाके इकट्ठे होने की कोशिश करेंगे, किस तरह से हम इंश्योर करेंगे कि हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा समय फ्यूचर में इकट्ठे बिता सकें. जब हम एक्टिवली प्लान कर रहे होते, what you're communicating to your partner is the intent to be together. That again makes you and your partner feel far more secure in your relationship. Focusing on the good moments, focusing on the happy interactions that you have is very essential. And I think when you start following some of these things, you will certainly see that maintaining a long distance relationship is also very much possible.